Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm back with yet another tutorial video on app guide, and in today's video I'll show you how you can clear the cache on an Android device. So you have an Android device that you use and now you want to clear cache a few of the applications in an Android device, but you can't figure out how you can do it. It's slowing down the Android apps and you are having trouble using those apps. Watch this video till the end. I'll show you some simple steps in order to clear a cache on an Android device in a very easy way. Just follow the simple steps I do. It's a very simple process. You'll do it in no time. So the first thing you have to do in order to clear cache on an Android device is open your phone settings. Once you open your phone settings, you land on an interface like this. Now from here what you want to do is go into app and notification settings. Once you go into app and notification settings, here what you want to do is go into app info. Once you go into the app info section, here you'll see the list of applications installed in an Android device. Now from here what you want to do is select the specific application that you want to clear the cache for. Once you select the application, you land on an interface like this. Now from here what you want to do is go into storage and cache settings. Once you go into storage and cache settings, here you'll see two options. One is to clear storage and another is to clear cache. So to clear the cache, what you want to do is simply tap on the clear cache option. Once you do that, you can see that all the cache has been cleared from the Android app that you were trying to use. So those were the simple steps in order to clear cache on an Android device in a very easy way. So that will be it for today's video. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video with some new information. Goodbye.